a tool making animal. Simple machines. Lever. Wheel and axle. Inclined plane. Screw. Gears. Crank arrangement. Keep pressing. Mechanisms.
You apply force in one way.
Pulley.
Okay, enough.
Chain drive.
Jaya Manuje. Do. Are you doing?
Crank and lever mechanism converts reciprocating motion into rotary motion. Reciprocating motion into rotary motion.
ఇప్పుడే బాల్ చూస్తున్నాయి అక్కడ ఇప్పుడే వస్తాను మీకు Heroes entry in Pneumatica, published in the first century AD.
He is the first fellow to find out convert steam into energy.
Oh. Wright Brothers Flyer Simulator.
Press.
Centrifugal governor to ensure constant speed.
Centrifugal governor.
To ensure constant speed of the engine.
James Watt invented centrifugal governor in 1787.
With piston valves, the steam passages can be made shorter. This reduces resistance to the flow of steam and improves efficiency. It is difficult to lubricate slide valves adequately in the presence of superheated steam.
Sentinel 1916 valve.
Chandrayaan 3, India's first lander and rover on moon.
India's first lander and rover on moon. Goodbye.
See, animal
Animal
they
power.
will make the turbine go round and round. So that will make the water go. You can get the water out.
Okay,
This
water
is
will
the
come
water
out.
turbine.
They are using the power of the animal.
Animal to get out water.
Okay.
How to send the water for irrigation, you see?
Human muscle power.
Drainage mill. This was developed in Netherlands.
Octagonal or drainage mill. Windmill, tower type mill. Tower type mill.
Relax, come on. Not working.
It is working.
It is. The water is turning. See, the whole flowing water is making the wheel turn. That is making all this turn. He can make iron sheets, and it is also there, no? That's also making it, no? So heat is also generated. It is pumping air. This is over.
Branca's steam engine.
How does the ball pen work?
Ah,
Ball point.
This is how the lock works in the house. Saw that? Yes. See, this is the actual mechanism of a switch and a hand pump.
hand pump.
Slow. Chair, do.
Car mechanism. Here. Leave it. Car seat belt, how it works. Here.
The puzzling polygons.
You know how to do it? You need to know it.